Hey everybody. This week, Astronomer's DevRel team is covering the features we are most excited about in the new Airflow 3.0 release. Today, we're covering DAG versioning. This has been the most requested feature by the Airflow community, and now it's here. If you've already been using Airflow 2, you know that it can be a challenge tracking changes with your DAGs. Making changes like removing a task completely removes it from the UI and you lose all your history. But now, with DAG versioning, you can maintain a full history of your DAG changes and see everything in the UI. Setting up DAG versioning is easy. A local DAG bundle is set up by default, meaning any structural changes you make in your DAGs folder are tracked. If you use Git for version control, you can set up the Git DAG bundle, which gives you additional functionality like rerunning older versions of your DAG. Note that Astro users do not need to configure a DAG bundle. It comes already set up in your deployments. Since Airflow recognizes structural changes as new DAG versions, if you make a change to your task code and want to see that versioned, we recommend you also change the task name. With this feature, you are able to easily track the changes of your DAG over time and troubleshoot more easily when something goes wrong. Our recommendation is that everybody use DAG versioning. It's easy to set up and provides benefit to anybody whose DAGs ever change. If this isn't you, we'd love to hear how you've done that. For more details on how to get started, check out the DAG versioning guide linked in the video description. And if you aren't already running Airflow 3, a free trial of Astro is a great way to get started.